Hi friends, let's see how to enable the Developer tab. In this video, the Developer tab is used for automation activities which has macro, VBA, add-in, control and XML features. This tab usually hidden or disabled by default. We can enable this tab by 3 different ways. First, we can go to File menu. Then, scroll to the Options, which is in left side bottom. Now the Excel Options window is open. Now click on the Customize ribbon option. Then, click the Developer checkbox which is on the right side under the list main tabs. Click the OK button. Now the Developer tab will appear on the default tabs at the top of Excel window. Second option is, right-click anywhere on Excel ribbon. Then click Customize the ribbon option. Then, select the Developer checkbox for enable or unselect the same for disable. Now I am unselecting the option. Click the OK button. Now the Developer tab is disappear on the default tabs at the top of Excel window. Again right-clicking on ribbon, then selecting the Developer checkbox and click the OK button for enabling again. Third option, I am using shortcut. Press Alt button, +F+T. Now select the Customize ribbon option. Then, click the Developer checkbox for enable the tab in Excel window. Click the OK button. Now the Developer tab is appear on the default tabs at the top of Excel window. The tab will remain visible unless you uncheck the Developer option or uninstall the Microsoft Office. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for more Excel videos. Don't hesitate to ask any questions, we are happy to help you out.